3 Japanese habits that shocked me as an Indian. Some of them honestly feel impossible in India. Silence in trains. In Japan, trains are super quiet, people rarely talk loudly. 2 No tipping. In Japan, tipping is generally uncommon because good service is already considered part of the job and professional pride. In India, tip equals appreciation, but in Japan, excellent service equals normal expectation. 3 Punctuality. In Japan, punctuality is taken extremely seriously, especially in public transport. That's why even a train being late by 30 seconds, 1 minute, or a few minutes can become a big issue or news topic. Flushed face. In India, train is only 10 minutes late, but in Japan, train delayed by 40 seconds. Follow for more amazing Japanese facts and culture.